Yes, guys. Now the next topic in polynomial, zeros of polynomial. In previous video we have discussed about the polynomial and algebraic expression and all the things, types of polynomial, behalf of their degree, behalf of their term. Now the next term, which is very important, and you will deal with this term, zeros of the polynomial, zero of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial. Higher classes also this topic will come. So I am telling you zeros means exactly what is the meaning of this zeros of the polynomial. Zeros means at which value, which number the polynomial becomes zero. Like I am writing here x square x minus 1. So what should I place here to make this whole thing zero? If I place here 1 minus 1, it will come 0. It will give 0. So at x is equal to 1, it will give 0. At x is equal to 1, it will give 0. So zeros of polynomial means at what value of variable, polynomial becomes 0. Polynomial becomes 0. So suppose I am writing here x square minus 4. So what should I place here at the place of x to make whole thing 0? So at x is equal to 2. If I place 2 here, 2 square minus 4, so 4 minus 4, it becomes 0. And I can place here x is equal to minus 2 also. You see guys, if I place minus 2, so minus 2 whole square minus 4, minus 2 whole square is 4 only, 4 minus 4, 0. It means this polynomial has two zeros. One is x is equal to 2 and another is x is equal to minus 2. So definition of zero of the polynomial, you guys write down by yourself in your notebook. Okay, I told you just now that the value of variable at which polynomial becomes 0. Okay, without copy pen you don't see this video. This is not any movie and any drama is going on in front of you. Whenever you are watching this maths related video, you guys sit with one copy and pen and you note down by yourself whatever you are thinking that yeah, this is the important part I should write. So without copy pen, maths video is not good for you. Now you write down the definition of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial, the value of variable at which polynomial becomes 0. Now I am telling you, if we will think about the basic part, okay, the constant polynomial has no zero. Why? I am writing 4. Now what value I place of x, so this polynomial becomes 0, no value. So note down guys this point, constant polynomial has no zero. Very important point. Constant polynomial has no zero. What value of variable I place here to make this whole 0? No, I cannot place any kind of value, so to make this 0. Okay, so we cannot place any value. But this another important point, every real number is the zero of zero polynomial. Zero polynomial is 0. Whatever value you place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, here you guys will get 0 only, always, because this is not depends on us, not depends on any variable. Always it is giving already, this is itself 0. So how it is possible afterwards it will not be 0? So it will always 0. So every real number, so we can say infinite number of zeros are there in this zero polynomial case. Note down that these two are very important points. Nobody tell you about these 2 points. I am telling you, you guys, why I am telling you, So now come this linear equation, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. In linear polynomial, 1 0 you will get, in quadratic 2 zeros, in cubic 3 zeros, in biquadratic 4. Okay, and further 5, 6, 7, 8 you will get the zeros of the polynomial. Now we will discuss 4 types of questions in this part, zeros of polynomial. So first one polynomial is given and question is asking the value of this polynomial at x is equal to -1. We are not saying this is the 0. We will check is this 0 or not. First we will calculate the value of, we will find out the value of this polynomial at this x is equal to -1. So what to do for this? Directly this polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. 5 place at the place of x -1. -1 minus 4 minus 1 square plus 3. Minus 5. 5 multiplied by -1 -5 minus 4 multiplied by -1 square. So this negative term square will be the positive, will make this minus positive because -1 multiplied by -1, then it will be +1 plus 3. So finally -5 minus 4 plus 3. So this is 5 and 4 -9 plus 3. Finally we get -6. So the value of this polynomial at x is equal to -1 is -6. Again you check whole data, the values you place, and so this is not a 0 of this polynomial because this at this value at x equal to -1 this polynomial is not become 0. So one type of question. Okay, the second type of question, you note down guys with me only. You have the options, you can pause video and you can solve by yourself also. Now the second type of question, we will calculate polynomial given. Okay, in this case I am writing y square minus y plus 1. Here also you mention y because this polynomial is variable y. Now question is asking just p2. What is the meaning? I am telling you, calculate the value of this polynomial at 2. At 2 means at the place of y will be value 2. So 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So P2 value is 3. As 4, 2 square, 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So the value, second type of question. And third type of question in this topic. You know, one polynomial is given px x square minus 1 and we have to check, we will check x is equal to -1 whether x is equal to -1 and 1 are the zeros of this polynomial or not. So how to check? We will calculate the value at -1 and at 1. If they will give 0, final value, final solution 0 will come, then it will be this term will be the 0, otherwise not. So let's see, -1 square minus 1 minus 1 is giving 0. So x is equal to -1 is the 0 of this polynomial. First is okay. Second case at 1. 1 square minus 1 minus 1, this is also giving 0. This is also giving 0. It means this both are the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, next guys, in next question I am telling you, question is asking the find out the 0 of this polynomial. This is which type of polynomial is this? Linear, because maximum power of variable is 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1. That's why this polynomial is linear polynomial. How to find out the 0 of this polynomial? One is this: you place x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. That is too much lengthy method. I am telling you direct. You consider that 2x plus 5 is 0. Then we calculate the value of x equate with the 0, and 2x is equal to -5 and x is equal to -5 by 2. So x is equal to -5 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial, at least this polynomial becomes 0. Okay guys, in this 0 of the polynomial we will deal these kind of questions only. Okay, and here we have discussed up to linear polynomial only, not quadratic, cubic. Further it will come quadratic and cubic. So okay guys, you solve your exercise and afterwards we'll discuss your doubts. Okay, bye.